Yep. My video. Alright, so people, we are in a room alone with Pinky. It's our birthday. Someone want to wish her happy birthday down in the comments.
Coming.
Saturday I come.
It's my birthday.
So one way I want for your birthday, Pinky?
Well, you know me love pink already, so anything in a pink, you just grab it from me, sir.
So I can put on lingerie in that too?
No.
No lingerie?
No lingerie.
But anything pink?
Anything in a pink, no lingerie.
You're always nice to me, you know, so I have a nice day up on your birthday. I think so if I can. I know if a man a carry go now upon a date, eh?
Yes, you will.
Oh. So right, that's how we know so you have one boyfriend, so.
Ah, catch me that we don't admit it truth.
Yeah, we know so you have one.
Catch me that admit it truth now. Why you do that? Why you jam me out?
You know say me did differently though. I have one nice place in mind for carry go, you know. I swear to God, I'm not even make you up.
Yes guys, so my birthday is Saturday. Do not ask me what am I doing, because I don't know me a hot girl already. So now we see what me I do. And we see how I come out.
Which part? So, hold on, so I do the photo shoot? You never that think about that, no Joe?
No, say another day you'll do it though. On Sunday you'll do it.
You can always do it after.
Yeah,
after
you're gonna do
birthday
it
party.
Sunday.
So you have one party, right?
Not really, I'm just go on a little place to enjoy myself.
But after your man carry out though, I can't carry out. You don't have nothing to worry about, Pinky.
Nobody want there though. I don't know nobody want there.
You don't have not a thing to worry about. Not a thing you don't have to worry about.
You're putting me in trouble, oh.
No, Pinky, may I come in like a brother and sister? Come on.
Okay.
Jesus.
Where in mind do we have to carry me, Ackeen?
Alright. Our White House side, I'm more than one place though.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah. More when me treat you nice, I can't forget it. That's my intention. Yeah. So the friendly do what go on to the movie scene and everything.
That I just did?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it was great. It's a nice movie so far.
What kind of movie? What the movie name? You know what I mean?
I think I don't sure, but I'm just going to look a piece. Me and the mother again. Me have some little problem. I go on.
A man problem?
With the dirty man. Yes.
Jaja.
Them ever put me in the park with the man them.
But Pinky, I don't know how you play them part so good enough because in real life, you know, look like somebody have you don't have man problem.
Alright.
I know how you play them.
Have man problem. Don't me a shine. Talk to people. Don't me a shine.
So I know you plan to do something with that hair. What you gonna do?
Oh. Then I could have asked that. I must do it. I have to do it.
As in like, we are going to put in some fox locks or...
Like, alright. I'm going to put in some nice braid. I'm not telling you color. I'm not telling you what's the style. But it's for the birthday look.
Oh.
Yeah.
So... You know that song that our brother that sing? What him name? Ajayi name? Jeremiah.
Let me see.
It's your birthday, so I know you want to ride out.
Woo!
Even if we only go. So that's a God for your birthday? That's a God for your birthday? That's how they play of it?
Yes.
Brother, the lucky of blouse and skirt.
Hey, I'm going to find it on the phone. Weird.
No, you can't play it in the video. Me get.
Oh.
I can run P-side still. Like a P-side.
I'll play when I'm done.
So I'm going to do differently though, Pinky.
Alright.
Everything.
I am
jiggy.
happy.
You know, you have one YouTube channel already though, not sure?
No.
Yeah, because I always see a comment. How you comment?
Oh yeah. Actually trouble, but I like me ever like post funny or take it serious. There's always a commenting people I'm like to my fans them.
So I'm gonna have one.
Comment on when movie do. Yeah?
So I'm gonna have one on YouTube channel.
Really I prefer it, but people telling me the truth, me straightforward, I'm not ready for no YouTube channel yet.
And really something where you're into like that, no?
And not really something like when me into. That not really entice me. I understand people, yeah. And again, yeah.
Me make sure me want to do that photo shoot there, no? That me a talk about. Me can buy what me want to wear.
Yeah.
For the shoot?
For the photo shoot.
Okay.
But
so you know say a beach here though?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I like mom so I like something skimpy at top, something skimpy, but I'm telling you one short, rippy shots. I want skimpy mesh top. Yes, that I want.
See, man.
You know where I'm gonna tell her what you're responsible for. My face for makeup Sunday again.
How much that all cost, man?
We would not put in that in the video, sir.
I know say expensive, you know, Pinky.
We're not going to put it in the video. Alright, let me tell you what we want now. You see full glam, about 6,500.
Okay.
You see soft glam, about 3,500. You see simple glam, maybe 4,500.
Hold on.
5,500.
Saturday how much?
20.
Oh, you're not Sagittarius, you're Scorpio.
Yeah, still Scorpio.
Yeah, Scorpio.
Sagittarius.
If you did a Sagittarian, then your man would have a fret. But, you're not Sagittarian, so you don't have nothing to worry about. Anytime you book on a Sagittarian, a different connection. Different connection.
Okay, it's my birthday.
So, what else I want to tell you now, Pinky? We always love seeing in front of the camera.
I miss you now. When I say I miss you, I mean I miss you now.
So invite somebody to my birthday party now?
Miss you.
Pass through?
No.
What then can
You see, after my birthday,
Mm-hmm.
I will invite some people after my birthday. And on my birthday, and you know the song where you just said, it's my birthday.
Say how old are you now?
Woo! Don't ask me that, come and I will put it on the video.
Let me tell you how much. Let me tell you. Let me guess. You never tell me what me I guess. 21. No, Pinky, look by your neck.
Stop it! Stop it! Why you putting all of those things in the
Pinky,
video, Ackeen?
Pinky, I'll do yeah, my sister still, you know. You know, say sometimes I see this in a pie, I'm vex. Vex.
Guys, it's nothing to worry about.
Yeah, enjoy
It's
yourself.
just my...
Mosquito bite, not true?
No, no mosquito bite.
How then?
I'm a fiancé, put it away.
Your fiance.
Wait, I show me that have a ring on your hand yet.
Boy, rough, you know.
But
Pinky,
soon.
Pinky, you have to help me get one partner, you know, because I like how you're happy and thing, you know. You need to help me get one,
You
can
need a
get
partner
one
now?
fiance. Yeah, I need to get myself one
Yes,
partner.
guys, I'm going to help him, help me choose one partner for Ackeen.
Alright, me like...
Let me tell you what I like.
You know what I like?
Slim girls.
Oh, man.
I'm not like fat girl. I feel no straightforward. I don't know Pinky straightforward.
How you know?
Me not know manners sometimes.
How you know? How you know though?
Listen, let me talk. Let me tell you how I know.
Okay.
I'm like slim woman. Them personality. I feel nice. She can't smoke. She's not for smoke. We're not gonna talk in English. Him not like woman to smoke.
Pinky, then can smoke, just
understand?
not cigarette.
Alright. Weed then.
Yeah, then can take
Just
one
not
little
cigarette
As a matter of fact, me not even want to... You're right. No one thing smoke.
You see, me telling the people, him no want them smoke. Cause the moment them start smoking and come around him, I'm gonna start get pissed off. Yeah. Next, I'm telling her this girl personality have to nice. Up. She have to be a lady, not a girl. She have to be a woman, not a girl.
The only thing I would have subtract from you, know, Pinky, so if me have to date, the only thing I would have take away, I say I smoke. That's all.
Guys,
I would have probably take out the nose
you
ring.
see, you smoke, no, alright, next thing too. Him not like woman a bore. Yeah guys, him not like woman a bore.
Well, no, me old school, I swear.
And he's just a nice guy that need a nice girl. Him not need no ghetto-ish girl. People nobody feel like me no ghetto-ish.
No man, ghetto girl can work, you know.
Yeah,
Ghetto girl can work, yeah. So nice
And
ghetto
let me
girl.
tell you something, people. And tell me if I'm right. If me can't show my bad side, if you want man love me, you don't need to love me again. Because I go always show my bad side first to see who you really are.
No man,
Me show my good side.
for real.
Yeah, I'm not gonna show my good side and go like me no good girl and me a this and me a that.
Yeah, good girl
You see
still.
me a good girl still, but me not gonna show that first. Me gonna show how me stay, me gonna show how me stay.
Your clothes can't so short. Well, you
Yeah.
can't short if you're there
And
yard.
next thing, guys.
If you're there yard, they can't short, so.
I'm gonna find one church girl again, please.
I don't have no problem with the tattoo. I don't have no problem with the tattoo,
Me
but...
don't have a problem with that, put that in a long time.
Yeah.
I beg you find a church girl again. Or a girl where I work somewhere, one high class place. Because you love high class.
That make you look someone. No.
Yes, Ackeen, you love high class woman. You know you love high class woman.
Stop it.
Alright,
Stop it.
I'm gonna tell you something again.
Mm.
You see you and them, when I go on vulgar, and them sneaking and bad.
But me like,
Here?
when I say bad, what you mean though?
Sneaking and bad, them a go lip and man, them take man and do this and that pie and whatever. You feel like she come in and she a good girl. Yeah.
Rough.
And them the girl, they a bad girl.
Yeah.
But you have some nice woman. But I'm telling you something, guys, I first nice me attack so, cause me happy. Anyways, you have some woman out there.
You say then go on quiet.
You're
And
a good woman, but you have to find her. Because it's hard to find a good woman now.
there's some mad man I left in phone.
It is hard to find a good woman these days that will stick by you even when you have nothing.
Any day for your man mess up. God.
And what say?
If you watch me general, make sure you don't lose that one there no cars. You know a long line we did here wait.
Man for Chuku, man for overseas, man for everywhere.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. So please tell him again, Ackeen, do not play with me.
Alright, so Pinky, we are cutting out. Anything we want to say before we go?
Okay guys, big up on yourself, love you, take care on yourself. I'm out here, the same thing, I'm outside. Move friend there now.
Oh, friend there.
Move friend there.
Who have that chat there again?
No my talk, excuse you, move friend there.
I want me hear with that chat there again too.
I'm here with it.
Move
one
friend there.
time.
Yeah, move friend there.
Yeah, move friend there. Anyways guys, big up on yourself, I always love you.
Alright, so I
And
that
even
people.
when they fight me, I don't pay that no mind. Even when they put all bad comments, I don't care. Even when they dislike, I don't care. That's not what matters. What really matters is my happiness and the gang when I have run.
I'm glad to
Child
happy too.
Brown, Ackeen, Fire Candy, Papai, Alton, the whole of my... first of all, they are not my friends. They are my family.
Yeah.
Remember that.
Yeah.
Here, one loyalty, never lie. They are my family. Hear me say, never lie.
You must get every top smoke, you know.
And
Watch. You must get every top smoke. Just watch.
big up to my nice, clean mother when named Sarah, my nice, handsome father when named Fred. I'm other mother when named Diane. Big up to her, my sister Shanda, my sister Selena. Everybody may I big up. My brother Flydy, aka Chicken, Popsy. I big up everybody. All I know, love you know.
Boy, you really happy for you, that girl.
So, well, now I'm go out with myself, no.
May I make sure to get you sitting where you can. And if
Listen.
I know me I get there, I know me I get there. Sitting where you can't even wear for you all the time. It's alright. I'm not gonna figure it out. Don't worry yourself. Say people, I hit that time coming to tune in with me and Pinky around us. So we soon.
Bye guys.
Boy.